How to fix failed photo moderation warnings. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, we're going to learn how we can fix a failed photo moderation warnings. So without any further ado and delay, let's get started with today's video. To resolve a failed Bumble photo verification, you have to make sure to ensure that your photo adheres to Bumble's guidelines. Now, first of all, before all that, you have to make sure that the photo you're uploading onto your profile images are identical to the current you. So if you're wearing goggles in all the pictures, that way Bumble won't be able to identify that this is actually you when you take a selfie verification. So make sure to upload a clear image that shows your selfie quite well. Now, after you've done that, we will go about verifying our account again. So we can go to this complete profile option, go to verify my profile, and make sure to copy the pose exactly. So if they are lifting their right hand, you also want to lift their right hand with a clear lighting, and you must be copying the pose exactly and take your photo and verify it. And after that, it should help you basically resolve the verification error that you've been facing on Bumble. That's all for this video. I hope the video helped you out. Thanks for watching, and do subscribe for more tips and tutorials such as these.